Juicing is a popular trend in the health and wellness world, but it's not for everyone. Hey there, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we will discuss the pros and cons of juicing. Let's get started. Juicing can be an easy way to get the nutrients your body needs. Juices are a great way to start the day, and you are getting lots of nutrients you need immediately, along with plenty of fluid. The body needs water, and drinking liquids as soon as you get up fires everything up, so you are all ready for the day ahead. Juices are quick and easy to digest as well. They give you lots of those all-important electrolytes, so are great to have before or after exercise. Another benefit that the athletes among us will appreciate is the boost of energy that juice gives. A juice diet also has amazing benefits for the gut. As daft as it sounds, a great tip is chewing the juice when it's in your mouth. Your saliva will break down some of them and turn it into an easier to digest meal. One of the reasons that people drink juices is a way of shedding pounds. However, there are a few things to consider before beginning what is known as a juice cleanse or detox diet. These diets can help reduce your appetite. Going on a juice diet can help you to be satisfied with less food than usual. It doesn't reduce the size of your stomach, although it may psychologically feel like it does. One of the main drawbacks of juicing for weight loss is the increase in the high concentration of sugar, especially when juicing fruit. Finally, you may think that you are consuming fewer calories in a glass than on a plate, but calories from juice can easily take you over your recommended daily intake. So that just about wraps things up. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.